So now I'm going to do my haul from Hobby Lobby with everything that I ended up buying. Make sure you check out my vlog where I went around the store. I'll have it linked up in the cards. So, first of all, I got this metal sheet that I thought would be really cool to try to do a slime pressing with, because I wonder if this design will come up on the like little strands of slime. So I thought that would be really fun, and this is for decorative projects, and it's just as a metal sheet. And I've never seen anything like this in Canada, so I thought it'd be really fun to try out. Over here, I have 2 glitter glues. Here they are. One is blue topaz and the other is raspberry. This is definitely not a raspberry. I think it's more of like a bright pink rather than a raspberry, but hey, I'm not gonna argue with their naming. So these 2 were $4.99, and I'm excited to see if they will work with slime or work to make slime, because not many glitter glues do, because they don't contain PVA, but we will see if this does. And then I got this absolutely gorgeous paint. Like, look at this, guys. It was $8.99, and I used my 40% off coupon. Don't forget to save your coupons. And look at that. That label even is so pretty. It has a nice gold color shift in there, and I'm super excited to put this in slime. There were so many there, and I wanted to buy them all, but I just picked this one. And there's the top. Let's see. So I got that. And then over here are these diamond shaped gem type things that are gold, and I've never really seen them in gold. They look like they're like spray painted. It'd be fun to try and DIY these myself. Let me know if you guys want to see me try and do that with some regular gems and try spray painting them and making them DIY gold. I don't know, I think it'll be cool. These are by Studio His and Hers. I'm pretty sure this was in like the wedding section, but I'm using it for slime. And then I got a bunch of confetti. So it's like an assorted colors. This koala monkey that's not a pin, that's a lion. And these are like a jungle themed confetti that I thought would be fun in slime to make a nice crunchy slime. And here are some stars, which is gonna be pretty sharp, but I'm gonna do it for a video, guys, to make this slime. And it'd be kind of cool if it wouldn't be that bad if you use like 1 or 2 on top of the slime, but I think I'm gonna use just this in clear slime and see how it turns out. And then I have some mosaic accents, glass pebbles, and I have those in green and black because I thought these would be really cool to add to slime and make a crunchy slime. And this kind of looks like, I wish they were bigger and more circular, because it kind of looks like boba for that drink. And so I thought these are really cool. And up here I got 2 putties. This one color changes with heat, and this one it color changes with this LED light. No, LED, I don't know, black light I think it is. I'm not really sure, but I'll try those out. And then down here, I found this fluffy putty, which is just like a foam that I thought would be fun to try out. It was $1.99, and then over here these 2 were $6.99 each. And then this is some scented dough, and dough pretty much never works with slime from my experience, because it's kind of like Play-Doh, and I just figured I'd try it anyways and see if it actually smells good. And I don't know if I mentioned it, but these confettis were $3.99, and these were $3.99 each as well. And then over here, I have this Easter scatters and fillers. So I thought this would be super fun to make a crunchy fishbowl type slime as well. And this was $2.99, and it was in the Easter section if you are looking for it. I thought these were really gorgeous. Or you could also just individually use like the charms as charms for slime on their own. I got another fluffy putty here. This is the pink one. I got a blue and a pink. And again, this was $1.99, and it's just like a foam, and I'm hoping it works out well. I'm gonna try and add to slime, see what happens. Over here, I have this crystal putty. It was $7.99, and look at that. I think I've tried this before. I tried this last year, I think, and it was pretty okay, so I'm excited. But here is the crystal putty glitter. Looks pretty cool to me, and I'm excited to try that out. And then I have a row of gorgeous pearls. Look at all these pearls, guys. I had to buy them all because I can never find pearls without holes in Canada, so I had to stock up while I was here. Purple is my favorite color, guys. That's why I'm zooming in on this purple. It's so gorgeous. But I got this, I don't know, what color would you call this? I'm not sure. Mom, what color would you call this one? Like a dusty rose. My mom, the queen of naming colors. Thank you, Mom. But these were all $5.99 and they're called Imitation Pearls, and they were in like the floral section if you want to buy them. So, and by the way, none of this is sponsored at all. I just love shopping and sharing what I bought with you guys because I figured this would be fun to share. I got this like bright cotton candy pink. I got this gorgeous purple. This blue one, it's like a nice underwater blue. And then this is like a, I don't know, Mom. Again, what's your color expertise? She is stumped. What would we call this, guys? What color would you call this? Like a wine? I don't know. Comment down below what you would call this. A burgundy wine is what my mom says. And then over here are these stir sticks. There's 24 of them. And I thought it was so cool with this little ball at the end. I thought it would be kind of fun to, I don't know, like when I do my slime designs, or I don't know, I figured it would be cool to make a video with them. Random, I know, but why not? And then I got these multicolored pom-poms. I've been looking everywhere for pom-poms that have more than one color on them. I wish they didn't have those like strings sticking out, but you know, I'll take what I can get. These were in the Easter section as well. And the colors are okay, not my favorite, but we'll try it out and see. I got these 2 sets of baby charms. I thought they'd be so fun to make like a crunchy charm slime with. We'll see. And that was in the favors section with like all the party stuff, which I was surprised by, but you know, who knows. I got these appetizer spoons. There's these little gold spoons. Oh, hi. You can see my little reflection there with my phone. But yeah, they're little spoons and they were $3.99. Oh, I don't know if I mentioned, but these ones were $2.99. These stir sticks and these pom-poms were $2.99 as well. And then the little baby doll charms things were $1.99. So, and these spoons were $3.99. But yeah, I thought they would be fun because I have silver ones, but I wanted to try these gold ones and see if they worked. So yeah, and they're so cute. I've only ever seen the silver ones in Canada, so I figured why not try these gold ones. And then I got a bunch of these acrylic confetti, as they call them. They're little like bingo type charms. And they're a little bit bigger than fishbowl beads, and they were $2.99, and I got 3 different colors. I had to get purple because it's my favorite. There was millions of colors there, but I just picked purple because I love purple. And then I got the gold and the silver because those are super unique, and I don't really see those ever, so I figured they'd be fun to try out. And I don't know if I mentioned, but these were all $2.99. So that was everything that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. I love shopping at Hobby Lobby so much. Please check it out if you live in the US or have a Hobby Lobby near you, because I feel like they have such unique products that I don't generally see when I go to my local Michael's or things like that. But you know, I love Michael's too. I love all my craft stores, but this was a really fun one to go to and check out and find some slime supplies. Let me know down below what your favorite slime shop is and where else I should go shopping at. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. I forgot one thing. There are these cute little Oreo charms. They were $2.99 and they're so cute for a little cookies and cream slime. I can't believe I missed it. It was in like the, if you're looking for it, I showed it in my vlog, but it was in like the charms and buttons section, I think, and like the miniatures. So yeah, there they are.